National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Christian County, Kentucky, Central Todd County, Kentucky, until 11 p.m. At 10:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hopkinsville, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hopkinsville, Elkton, Clifty, Allegre, and Everett. This includes Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 3 and 16. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Christian and Todd.